Liteharbor Lighting is a manufacturer with 12-year experience in designing, developing, and supplying wide selections of lighting products. Liteharbor offers a product line of Recessed Downlight, LED Retrofit Downlight, Trimless Downlight, ceiling light, mirror light, multiple downlight, linear wrap light, track light, exit and emergency light, and we can also provide lot kinds of outdoor lights. Liteharbor latest showroom will be reopened. More and more new products have been displayed in the showroom, such as the Recessed Downlight, the multiple downlight, the Trimless Downlight, the Bluetooth speaker light, the ceiling light, the linear wrap light, the mirror light, and the cylinder downlight. And our aim is to allow customers to experience the true effect of the product, can know the performance of the product before buying it. Choosing Liteharbor will not only bring you high-quality products, but also sincere service.